Okay, today is November the 14th, 2017, and right now at 12:30 p.m. we have a temperature of 74 degrees. The relative humidity is 34%. Dew point is 44 degrees. We don't have a barometric pressure reading right now, but we're looking at the western U.S. water vapor loop. We have a gale force weather system right here spinning offshore of California. And this is sending moisture right towards California. Up here we have a separate gale force system. Now, there is no rain anywhere on the Doppler map in California. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Doppler right now. And there is zero rain in California and the entire Southwest. No rain. So what does that mean? That means that the Southwest and this entire area down here is being sprayed heavily with chemtrails. And we can see some of that detail right here on the Southwest water vapor map. We can see some of the chemtrails being sprayed perpendicular to the flow here all through this area. So right now the sky is full of chemtrails. There's been a lot of dashed lines being sprayed, and that is an attempt to conceal the operation. The dashed lines form into smaller blobs of chemicals, which appear to be clouds, but which are not. So that is the reason why we see dashed lines being sprayed. That is an effort to conceal the streaks, so that people looking up for the first time, they hear about chemtrails for the first time, and they look up and they see streaks, and then they begin to wonder, start asking questions. So these people behind this operation that we're seeing here daily are taking steps to conceal their operation. The counters on these videos are being frozen. The subscription count has been basically not active much for the last 2.5 weeks. We've only this channel has only gained maybe 15 subscribers in the last 2 or 3 weeks. So that and the frozen video counters explains a lot. The YouTube algorithms will bury these videos if they don't reach a certain view count, and of course that affects the ability of people to search out the videos on the internet using a search engine. Okay, so right here in the rainbow map we see pockets of moisture moving into Southern California. There's a no rain forecast, and of course that means the jets are up spraying to prevent the rain. Now, looking here at the water vapor map here for the Northeast Pacific, we see what's happening. We continue to have this tropical flow pattern right into California. Also, there's high pressure being installed down here. We can see the effect of that. That's bulldozing a lot of this moisture down to the southwest. Also, that we have another developing weather system way out here in the West Pacific. And we can see a channel of high pressure developed right here, installed to separate this developing gale with this weather system up here, which is also a gale force system. You see that channel right here. That's separating this system from this one right here. And we should be getting some rain based on this flow pattern, at least in Southern California. But we see the purple showing up towards the end of the loop. That is down here on the far left part of the scale, indicating drier weather. So we have a warmer day today. It's about probably 5 degrees, 6 degrees warmer, at least, maybe 10 degrees warmer than we've had in the last few days. That's because of the high pressure to block this system here, which is forecast to move sort of in a east-southeast direction. Look at the surface analysis map here. We can see that this is the gale right here we were just looking at off of California. That's moving sort of in a easterly pattern. Up here we have another gale force system. This is moving to the southeast. And look at all the highs here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's That area of high pressure is going to block this and this while they continue to spray the chemtrail aerosols. Here we are, once again, no rain. We have opportunities for rain, and these terrorists controlling our weather have stopped that possibility. Okay, so we'll just leave it right here, and we'll do another one later.